so close. We could be so close to the Getty Villa.
Yeah. Yeah, just if all of us get on our bikes and go.
Yep. Don't you dare, you outie piece of shit. Jerk.
Oh, wow.
Entitled. What's up, sweetie? Why are you sad? Yeah, you do. We're about to get out of the car. We've got another... Wow. I feel like it was 49 minutes. 20 minutes ago.
What? Our helmet's ridiculous, too.
Well, I just love how she's, like, wearing no clothes, but a helmet. Like, that's gonna help. We're not gonna go up there, no.
It's young again.
We're gonna go somewhere else to walk around.
Tammy's riding around on her motorcycle and her boyfriend's in the back. Up on pitch.
No. No.
She's such... Like, both of our kids have so much personality.
Yeah. Hello? It's 45 minutes to go 11 miles.
Yeah, Santa Monica. Blame it on Eddie.
How?
He's the one who lives up here.
Why do we blame it on him?
Yeah, because it's easier.
I blame it on the Jews. They all live here too, Kristen.
Blame it on them then.
Blame it on the Jews. One more thing to blame on the Jews. Coronavirus, Jewish, Chinese.
Yeah.
It's all a conspiracy with the Jews and the Chinese.
Jojo. Yo. This house. With the
Yeah. So I guess it's got a decent amount of parking.
Yes, it does.
It's cute.
Yes. Palm trees and olive trees.
Oh, nice flat rooftop. This one's nice. It's got no neighbors.
Yes.
Parking. Parking in the middle of the night. Take us by this club.
Milkshake.
Right.
Live in it.
Close it, turn it down, turn it into it.
Shoot up to the real inn and grab a bite.
Oh,
Well, this
love the
minivan
real
next to all
inn.
these Harleys.
I love the real inn. No, there are plenty of minivans up there. Well, they're all SUVs.
Not at the real inn, no. That's
Oh, yeah.
Harleys. It's all motorcycles. Dentists on the weekends on their Harleys.
Maybe that's what it is. Weekend warriors, but they all have.
Got to get some sun on these legs.
Yeah, I got shorts now. I can do that. I need to order some more shorts. Juice. Yeah, you want to hang out back here with us? Yeah, we will. We're getting close, honey.
I want to go back there with you and my aunts here and sit with you guys and then we can say right about that, Mom.
Imagine just pulling out your McLaren and being like, let's go up PCH today in our McLaren. And you're like, fuck. 4 miles an hour. Everything's 4 miles an hour.
They knew that. They knew that when
God
they
damn it,
moved
Eddie.
here. And they moved it when they bought the McLaren. I'm with you. I'd like to be able to see everybody more often.
But Playa del Rey, you can do that. Playa del Rey, we're not that far. We really aren't. Now, granted, like, Eddie and Stewart's are walking distance to each other, and Ketterings are not far behind.
No, they're walking distance from. They're really walking distance from the Ketterings too, or the Stewarts.
Yeah, technically speaking,
One,
but we can't walk that far.
two.
Can't walk that far. But whatever, it's still a bike ride away. Like an easy bike ride, all beach.
Well, and the Stewarts are also looking to move back to Utah
Again?
At some point. Yes.
Why?
Because
Did they keep failing at
they
Utah?
kept the house.
I don't get that, but
So probably, I'm guessing for when the kids get like to junior high or high school, they're gonna want to move back. If not before.
but why?
I don't know. She wants to be close to her family, and
Well, I get that, but just get a fucking private plane. They've got them. They can get private plane money. Paul can do it.
yeah, I'm sure Stewart has it, and he's just being very conservative with it. Which I secretly have this feeling he's like got tens of millions. At least that he's inheriting or what.
No.
Maybe. I don't know. He's certainly doing well. I think he's doing like 400, 500 years. Something like that.
Probably, yeah.
Going to your
I mean, he better be.
Well, if we're doing that much money, if we're doing 300 or 400 next baby, you guys believe in we're gonna have a night nurse.
Okay.
I don't give a shit. I don't care how many fucking nannies we have. We're gonna have a night nurse.
If we're having a third child and we're making 300, we're moving, even if it's renting for a year. But we need to get out of that house.
Sure, whatever. That's not the point.
The point
Well-
is night nurse.
Well, still, I'm gonna have to knock you up like August. So
August, September again.
we can live in there with 2 children and a baby for a minute, but we can't.
I
live there
know,
long.
you're right, because that baby's going to be in our room for.
Yeah, another year. So all that once, again, Teddy's mobile, able to sleep in the bed. Like, we'll be fine. Fuck, we have a third kid in like a year. Less than a year. That's weird.
Yeah.
You gotta pull the goalie like now.
I pulled the goalie.
Or did you?
Yes.
Okay. That's something I'd like that we discuss, even if we're on the same page generally. Just so I know what's up.
Well, how about I pulled it last week after one of my periods started, so like 5 days ago.
Okay, still. Well, you don't take it during your period anyway, right?
Uh huh. I do. It's 2 days off, but I just haven't started it back up again. Would you? I can definitely start it back up again.
No,
Let's have this discussion.
Just do it right now.
Yes.
Pull it. Just pull it. If we want 4 kids, we gotta do it. If not, we get, or unless we're adopting
I know.
them too.
And I'm serious. I think about this daily, Dan. I really do.
Well, I'm fine having more kids. Our kids are rad as hell.